Hello, my friends. I know lots of you have seen the advert about voice controller, but I wanted to warn you as you look to subscribe, check the pricing and understand what you're getting first. If you click on Get Started for free, it takes you into this page where you can select a voice or instrument, do some instant clone. Let's click on select a voice or instrument. Okay, selected Lola. Select input audio. Well, just so you know, you're not going to be able to do an instant clone. If you click on instant clone and record, you first of all have to sign in. Now, assuming I continue with Google, we've upgraded our full song processing, full vocal sounds. Now, swaps now sound way better. So let's do instant clone, record. The moment you hit record, you're slapped with this paywall. So this is a little bit deceptive because you cannot record your voice to try out the system. It's one of the pet peeves that I have with these AI tools these days. They want to grab a credit card, make a fast grab before you even know what the system can do. Very unfortunately, I already fell victim to this by signing up for the $4 a month basic plan. But when you take a look down here, the $4 a month basic plan has no custom voice models. So if you were going in there to try out your voice and to see what happens, you are not going to be able to do that at the $4 a month plan. Okay? You can only begin to do that at the $8 a month plan. And that $8 a month is under the yearly plan. So you're going to have to pay $96 up front. If you do click on the monthly plan so that you can just try it out, you do have to part with at least $12 to begin to try out your voice. So as opposed to you jumping in there and thinking, okay, I can just do it free, you cannot do it free using your voice clone. To get a voice clone, you're going to have to part with $12 a month just to try out the system. Now, with that said, as I told you, I have fallen victim to this. Very unfortunately, I had parted with my first $6 only to discover I couldn't do anything. I couldn't move past this stage. Okay? I just wanted to warn you up front before I get into my experiments. So those of you who are looking to just very quickly record and try it out, and maybe you're drawn into the $6 a month, you're not going to be able to do anything until you pay $12. So I'll be trying out the system. Unfortunately, I think I've parted with probably more than $12 since I had a botched attempt at the basic plan. I'm not sure if they made a transition plan or if I had to pay both monies. I'll have to check that out. But I didn't want that to happen to you, so I am warning you in advance. This is not a critique on the quality of the system or the voice generated. It is just to point out to you that this is not a free, completely free trial if you are trying to clone your voice, if you're trying to do an instant clone. So this, in my mind, is a bit deceptive because when you put this here, coming from, the first thing was free trial, and then you come in here and you truly want to do a free trial, and you're presented with this, and then you hit record, right? And this is your input audio, right? So you can put in input audio, but if you want to use any model other than theirs, like do an instant clone like this, you're always going to be hit with that paywall. Just wanted you to know that in advance. I'll see you after I carry out some experiments, and I'll let you know the results.